You need to know that our law has specific protections for people who are working in the construction industry who are involved in accidents. In particular, we have a labor law, Section 240, and another Section 241. Those two sections apply to any individual involved in construction activities on a multiple unit building or in a commercial context. In other words, if you're working on a building that has a business in it, or it's owned by a business, or owned by a corporation, this law applies. The law also applies if the house, even if it's a single or double house, is owned simply for the purposes of flipping that house. It's an investment property. And this law is an incredibly important law for anyone in the construction industry, and it's very favorable for you. If you are injured as a result of falling from a height, or in the alternative, you are injured because something falls from a height, then Labor Law Section 240 provides coverage for you and puts liability on the general contractor or the owner of the property for any and all of your injuries. It's a strict liability statute. They are responsible, period. So if you're involved in an accident where you fall from a height or you are hit from an object falling from a height, you need to call us immediately. There are certain investigations that have to be performed right away. However, and in addition, Labor Law Section 241 also provides coverages. And that section provides coverage in the event that you are injured as a result of the violation of an ordinance, of a regulation. There are a series of regulations that have been put into place by our government, and those regulations dictate what owners of property, general contractors, construction managers, and property are required to do with respect to construction cases and construction sites. And if there is a violation of one of those sections, then the owner and the general contractor, again, is responsible. If you are injured at all on a construction site, before you sign any document, report anything in writing, before you talk to any insurance company, even the owner or the general contractor, it is incredibly important that you contact us immediately. The owners of these sites, the general contractors of these sites, know the law, and you don't. They know what to ask you to try to hurt you later on. So don't give them that information. Make sure you contact us first.